Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Teck. In this video I will talk about Google Play Points, and now here you can see I am in Google Play Points page and I got a new app installing task. Here you can see get points for trying new apps and games, and I got this app installing task today 23rd December, and here you can see on 10 points when you install. Okay, so I will get 10 points when I will install the application. Okay, and here you can see let's just tap on the install and then tap on the cancel. Okay, and then tap on the cancel, and if I go back, and here you can see now I have 278 points. Okay, now if I go to the history, here you can see I got 10 points for installing this app, and that is today 23rd December. Okay, so after watching this video, go to your Play Points page and check you got this or not, and if you got this, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so bye, see you guys in the next video.